gals and guys, it's Chris Mosier from MyMediaHelper.com. And this time out, we're going to take a look at 10 different AI artificial intelligence sites that strictly do images. This has nothing to do with artificial intelligence creating any type of text for you. Just want to deal with the images this time out. And I've showed you this before in another video. And of course, Canva is a big contender in the AI market as far as graphic arts are concerned. So as you can see, I did some John Wayne Santa Clauses. And that's what I put in here. If you just bring up a project and then you're looking for in the apps, you're looking for this particular, here, I'll show you if it pops up here. So you're looking for this type icon, and that is going to be able to, so you can generate images, and then you just put in what you want right here. So I put in John Wayne as Santa Claus, and then you generate the image, and then there it is. And I'm going to actually do a Christmas card tutorial. I'll show you how to do Christmas cards with this, with Canva. I'm going to do that, I think, on Sunday in a couple days. So that's one tool you can use as far as artificial intelligence to create new images for you, to generate images like I did here. And it's fun. It's fun stuff. So I'll elaborate more on that, and actually I have other videos on that before. This is kind of this is the Adobe thing. I did put in John Wayne as Santa Claus. So let's see, we got this young dude. Uh, of course, that's not John Wayne, and this guy needs a haircut, and that's like Oriental John Wayne as Santa Claus. I'm not really sure, but yeah, it didn't generate anything that I said. Here it is, right down here. And you can play around with it with the tool. That's the only one I tried. So I mean, she's cute. She's not John Wayne, but she's cute. But it's one you can play around with. Okay, here's another one that's very cool. This is a Unstability.ai, and again, you're going to see a lot of John Wayne on here. These are really awesome. I love these. I actually used one as the part of the thumbnail for this YouTube video. So this is John Wayne as, obviously, as Santa Claus, and then Charlie Chaplin. The thing on these, you can't really put really famous stars. I mean, John Wayne, I'm surprised it got away with. Like if I tried Chris Pratt, like Johnny Depp, your real-time modern stars. The system won't allow you because it's infringing on some type of copyright. Their copyright, their intellectual. If they are, I guess they're an intellectual property on their own. I don't know why John Wayne wouldn't be, but I tried Elvis Presley and it wouldn't let me do that either. So this is Charlie Chaplin. I mean, it looks like Charlie Chaplin, and him as Santa Claus, and then I put in a brunette woman as Santa Claus. So that's definitely a brunette woman. Hey, I'm not judging. That might be a brunette woman, or used to be a brunette woman. I don't know. But there's a brunette woman as Santa Claus, or Mrs. Hot Santa Claus, I suppose. So that's Unstability AI. Same thing. You just write in basically what you want at the prompt here, and it will generate for you. I'm not sure if this is free or not. A lot of these you have to sign up, and it's a trial. So you can upgrade to other things. So basic, and you can just go to the trial and see what the cost is. But a lot of these are free for a couple images, or you get so many credits or so on to play around, see which one you want to use. So this is a cool one. This is a comic book AI generator. So you can write and do different panels and create a comic book with this. And as you can see, I made Superman, John Wayne. Now, I don't exactly know what the hell I'm doing. I just farted around with it for 10-15 minutes. I didn't want to. I've got 10 sites I'm going to show you. There's a limited time frame that I have to fart around with them. But if you're a comic book creator, this is also a John Wayne Santa Claus. You can play around with the panels. Here's like panels. This is text, I believe. Yeah, that's text. And then obviously the balloons you can play around with. Let's get out of here. And you can go back and see, creates. You can put in your title of your comic book name. You can put in the page size, your standard comic book page size, and then your font that you want to use, and it will create. And then you just tell the AI exactly what you want per panel, and create yourself your own comic book. That's very cool. I wish I had more time to play with it. And we'll go to this one. So this is another image generator, Fotor. And as you can see, I got my I got my John Wayne Santa Claus going again. Just another variation on the theme. You can do different. Um, let's see. I think you can do like different outlooks. You can make them like into an oil painting, and different things like that. You can do that with Canva too, and I think you can do that with pretty much all of them. I'll have to play around with it more to see if I can do that. But oh, okay, up here. So if I want to do like a John Wayne anime, that would be interesting. um, I wonder where's the generator so I can do this. I got to move this. This thing's in the way. All right, get this out of the way here. There we go. Let's generate this as anime. I'm very curious. John Wayne anime Santa Claus character. Okay, so there's John Wayne as Santa Claus in anime. So that's pretty damn cool, if I say so. I like this. I like this Fotor.com. So I'll put all these links in the description. And then obviously you can do an oil painting. I mean, it's self-explanatory, right? These are all the options, and then it will come up here and then it will generate whatever you put in there. Okay, this is another one that's Dream Studio. Obviously, each one kind of gives you different things. This is John Wayne with Santa Claus. Okay, there's a little John Wayne down here. I guess he is an elf. It's so funny to me. So little John Wayne elf, and this looks very familiar to me. Is that the Santa Claus from 34th uh, Miracle on 34th Street? It kind of looks like him, I think. And there's John Wayne with his reindeer, and that he looks nothing like John Wayne, and he's hanging out with kind of like horse dog hybrids. It looks like, yeah, that horse, that horse's head is, I think, supposed to be over a year or something. These aren't always 100% correct. Sometimes people have 3 arms or 3 legs or some weird stuff. But AI is in its infancy, I would suspect. So I mean, it's been around for a long time, but it's really coming full force at us all of a sudden. So that's another one. That's Dream Studio. I'll shoot at you. So this one I did dog. Let's see, I did Lab Dog as Santa Claus because I couldn't do John Wayne. This is a Microsoft Bing. Those are really cool, actually. I like those. This is the first time I looked at them. This is Microsoft Bing AI image generator, and I couldn't do any stars again due to their intellectual properties. They're copyrighted, but you can do a lab dog. So these came out really well. So you can grab these and use them for your photo projects, and your imagination really is your only wall, I suppose. I'm trying to think of a better analogy to that. You can do anything your imagination can possibly think of, and the AI will generate it the best it can. It's an artificial intelligence. It's learning, so I'm assuming as it goes and more people generate different images and so on and so forth, it's going to grow and it's gonna learn and it's gonna build. Let's see what we got here. Account Microsoft. Oh, I was signing into Bing. That's why that's there. So we can delete that. So this is more for movie makers and video makers. So I tried a couple on here. So this is John. Here, I'll show you if we can get into it. This is John Wayne. I think he's talking or something. So he looks a little bit like John Wayne. I mean, he's got the beard and everything. So he's just saying you only can do 4 seconds. I've only got the free version on here. I'm not sure how many seconds if you sign up for it. And then here's a picture that I actually uploaded, and I just did a zoom in, obviously. So there's different effects that you can do on here, and it's great for creating videos, doing different effects for your images, and it will create video for you. It will create an image for you and animate that. So I think that's pretty cool. I'll have that down in the description. Resleeve. So there's a couple of these that are more for like designers, if you're designing clothes and things of that nature. So I made a Supergirl. That's what I was talking about. Three arms. She's got 2 hands and she's got three hands. And here's another John Wayne that I put in there, and you can pick out what he's wearing And let's see, they should be. Oh, okay, here's where you put it right here. So you just write out what you want. So obviously, I put brunette model wearing a red superhero cape, and that's what it gave me. We used to be able to do all this stuff. We used to be able to do this stuff in Photoshop. It took a long time to do, and now we have artificial intelligence to do it for us. What a big step! I mean, we used to do mock-ups and mashups and in Photoshop, put people's faces and other bodies and stuff like that. And now AI here is to do it for you. I don't even use Photoshop anymore. I used to use it all the time. I barely ever use it anymore. So that's good for designers if you want to design clothes. That's basically why it's called a Resleeve, and that's basically why it's called that and what it's designed for. Here's another one as well. It's kind of more intricate. So you can put in the type, and you can see right here, I put in type Santa Claus, usage Christmas, futuristic look, red and white, fabric leather. I did put John Wayne in for details, but I don't think that's exactly what it means. But I came up with this lady right here, which is very cool. So if you're designing outfits, this can be a good tool to kind of get an idea of what you want to design, give you kind of some imagery to work with as far as getting your end product done. You can generate, I think, 3 designs on this one for free, and then you do have to sign up if you want more. So here's pricing right here. So there you go, 40 designs for $5. That's nothing. That's pocket change. This one is more of a filter. I'm not really sure if this is an AI or not. I was looking up AI specifically. I'll shoot this one out in the description anyways. It's the only good program I found that can colorize black and white picture. Here's the original, and then you can put different filters on it. Very cool as far as that's concerned. I tried other ones, like I tried this one. It looks terrible. Let me just tell you, if you see these AI generators online and they have a lot of advertisements around it or on the page, it's probably crap. It's there for you to click on advertisement and for that site to make money. It's not necessarily there for you to make good quality AI. That's why there's prices on some of these sites because they don't have that advertisement. But if you find a site with a lot of advertisement, which this one had, you're going to get the results that you're paying for, which is nothing. So, so yeah, I'll have that in the description. And dude, it came up as an AI. So, all right. Of course, anything that's created as an outlet for arts or creativity or photography, the porn industry is going to get involved, right? So, I didn't bring any up. I did play with a couple of them. The sites, the sites, and I can't put them on YouTube to show you, but there are AI porn uh, generators. So there's a ton of them. Just put in AI porn and have yourself a party. You can go in and put different descriptions to your heart's desire of anything and everything you can think of as far as porn is concerned. Okay, and then LaLaLand. So I kept this one up. This is actually a plugin for what's called Stitcher, I do believe, and I didn't get too involved in that. Stitcher's also like a clothes designing program. I'm sure designers know what that is. It's a program that you install and design, and this is a plugin for it. So AI is actually helping you with that design tool. So if you happen to have Stitcher, here's LaLaLand. I'll put it in the description. I didn't play with it too much, just again the time factor. And what do I got? Oh yeah, these were a couple other ones. Yeah, see, I tried this one, Hotspot. It's not very good. It looks simplistic. They do have some pricing on there. I didn't play with it very long. I just colorized this picture. I mean, this one looks good, but that's their example. This is the picture I uploaded, and it does not look good. So I don't know. Try it out if you want, but it doesn't look too cool. And this one's supposed to help you enhance your picture. This is image enhancer, and so that's the picture that's uploaded. That's the picture it enhanced to. I don't see a difference. So again, I only tried one picture. I'll put it in the description, but it doesn't wow me at all. So that's it, gals and guys. I just wanted to go through some AI. There's tons and tons and tons of them out there for photos and images and graphic arts and clip art and so on and so forth. These are the ones that really called me, or the ones that I really liked. I went through a bunch of them for a few hours, and these are the ones that I were most happy with. So try them out. They're awesome, and they should do the job for you, depending. So I'll put all these links in the description for you to play around with. I'm going to do a Christmas card tutorial using AI images on Canva come this Sunday, so 2 days. So check that out. And I appreciate you as always. Please certainly subscribe, like this video. I'm running out of steam. I was up at 3 a.m. Like this video. Please share. Please hit the bell for updates. And I will catch you tomorrow. All right. Bye. I have to find my camera. I'm so tired. All right. Take care.